Most of the tools out there are damn expensive, and one of the things you have been looking for is that particular tool that is free to use and you can always use them every single day. So in this video guys, I'm going to be giving you 8 tools that gives free credit every single day. Now what do I mean? If you actually exceed your credit today, it means you can come back the next day and start using. Why some tools cannot do that? I mean, some tools only give a lifetime trial, meaning if they give you like 10 trial credits, once you exceed the 8 credit, you will have to go for the paid version. Okay, but the tools I'm going to show you right now guys, you will always come back the next day, I mean after 24 hours, to start using them. So stick around till the end of this video, and we are not going to be ending there guys. I'm going to be testing each of these tools to know which is more realistic when it comes to photo generating. So in this video, you're not just gonna learn or know tools you can always use every single day, but you also find out which is more realistic, which is good enough for your creation. So that's what we are going to be doing in this video. Meanwhile, before we continue guys, my name is Bostari, and what I do on this channel is giving you tips, updates every single day on different tools as long as AI is concerned. So if you're right here, this is a new channel and I promise I have what it takes to give you value on this channel. So consider being my subscriber and make sure your notification bell is on so that whenever I post good content like this, you will always get notified. So without wasting much of our time guys, let's go straight to the video. So like I said, I'm gonna be giving you 8 free image generators, okay, that gives free credit every single day. And number 1 on my list is Image AI. So this is it. You can see from here they say daily free credit, and you can see from here they say non-paying users can claim 2 credits daily, meaning simply register and log into your account, into your Image AI account, to claim free credits daily. And here they say non-paying users can claim 2 free credits daily. Now with this particular AI tool, you can always claim 2 credits every single day for your image generation. And the second thing here, they say paying users can claim 5 free credits. Now this is for the premium user. Even as a paid user, you can always be claiming free credits every single day as a paid user. And the third one here, they say credits can be used for all image AI features. So like I said, we are going to be testing each of these two to know which is good enough for your content generation, right? What we are doing here is not high, but based on real life experience. So to get started, I will click on sign in, and I'll just sign in with email instead of going through the steps of doing this and that. So I'll just log in with my Google accounts. Okay, so I will select one of the email that I know very well that I'm not using them for something important, right? So always take note of that. If you're a creator, when signing in for something like this, I mean if you are signing in with Google, always use those accounts you know they are not so important to you. So that is it. I'll click on continue. So this is the home page, this is the interface, and here you can see there are a lot of things which you can actually do with this AI. They have the image generator of AI face swap. Okay, this is one of the topics I will do maybe in my next video, how to use the face swap feature. So they have here the AI face swap, meaning you can always swap faces, like taking this person's face and replace it with this face. That is the work of the face swap. And they also have here the AI video generator and AI video effects. Right, I think from what I'm seeing here, this AI tool is super loaded, right? Not just all about generating image but other things. So let's stick to what brought us here, the image generator. So here they have text to image, outfit change, sticker image. So you can do a lot of things right here. So let's go straight to what brought us here, text to image. All right, so here I will enter my prompt. Now take note of this. On signing up, this is what you will get, 10 credits. You can see that, right? So I'll just enter my prompt right here. Like I said, we are going to be testing each of these two to know which is more realistic, right? So this is it. This is the prompt we are going to be using throughout in this video. A hyper realistic portrait of a lion wearing sunglasses sitting on a throne, cinematic lighting, 4K quality, right? So that is step 1, and you can choose the model which you want to use. So here they have the Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra Edition. They also have here the Flux 1.1 Professional Edition, and any of them right here. So we are on the Flux Standard Edition. You can always choose any of them. Now each of them determines how much credits you're gonna be using for each generation. So this one, if I use this, you can see I'll be charged 3 credits per generation. If I use this, I'll be charged the same. If I use advanced edition, this is it, I'll be charged 3. So these are the things you need to take note of. This one is Flux Quick Edition. Let me check, just want this in. So the model you actually select right here will determine the quality of the image you are generating and how many credits you are willing to spend. So I hope you understand that So right here, I think I would just go with this, the professional edition or the advanced. Let's go with the professional. Okay, I'm willing to risk my 3 credits for this. So you can always make a choice, right? And here we are generating image for YouTube. So this is it under the select resolution. So I'll click on 16:9. That is for YouTube size. Another thing right here, they also have here the advanced options. This is it, diffusion stages, prompts, adherence. All this thing doesn't really matter to me, so I'll just skip that. Okay, we are not here to waste time, right? So this is my prompt once again, and I'll go down right here and click on text to image generation. So let's wait for the result. Okay, all right. So what do I have to say right here? First, I selected YouTube size, and this is what I got. Okay, let's zoom this. All right, so this is it. The image is okay. I think this is nice, right? This is nice, except that it didn't pay attention to my instruction. I asked for 16:9, so it actually gave me this. So that is minus mark on one of the distance. So I'll just go ahead and download that. So that is what we got from Image AI. And number 2 on my list is AI image generator. Now if I go over to, if I scroll down right here, let's scroll down, and this is it. So you can see this is the pricing. So they have here the free, pro, and the basic. So this is it. Let's stick to what brought us, which is the free. Now this is what you can actually do with the free version of it. So here they say try before you sign up, generate images instantly with our free daily credit, meaning you don't even need to sign in before you could use this particular image generator. So you can just generate your image without signing in, right? But I would advise you always do that. So this includes 5 free credits daily, no login required to try. So you can actually try this without logging in. Okay, use up to 5 images per day, meaning you can generate up to 5 images per day. I'll just click on sign in to get started. Don't forget you can do this without even signing in, but I insist. So I'll just sign in. Alright, so here I'll paste my prompt. You can see that, and we are under text to image. Don't forget that we have here image to text and also text to image. So I'll just paste the same prompt I used before, and this is the model. I'll click on this to select any of the models right here. They have this one, they have this, and other models right here. So I'll just leave it at default. Okay, and the next thing right here is the style. You can always choose any style of your choice, but we are using this. They have realism. Okay, I'll just leave it at auto for the sake of this video. Okay, you can always choose any style of your choice when generating your own image. So here is the aspect ratio. So I will leave it at 16:9, which is the YouTube size. So here you can select either you want to generate 1 image, 2 images, 3. Now just take note of this. If I'm generating 1 per generation, okay, I'll be charged 1 credit. If I generate 2 images, I'll be charged 2. So I'll just stick to the 1, okay, for the sake of saving a credit. Okay, so I think I'm done with that. So I'll click on generate or create, and let's wait for the results. Okay, so that is in fact this particular generator gave me this result in less than 10 seconds. So this is what we got from this image generator. The picture is super realistic, and it also paid attention to my instruction. This is the YouTube size, right? So I'll just go ahead and download this. So don't forget, you can always come here every single day to generate your free images. And for more advanced, if I go over to the paid edition, you can see if you are on the paid version, which is the pro, they have pro and the basic. Now the pro, you will pay 28.99 USDT, and this is what you will have access to, everything in basic plus. Okay, now this is what you will have access to: 800 credits per month, up to 800 images/month. So if you are on the pro version, you can generate up to 800 images every single month, and 3 parallel tasks, all in one multi-model support, non-watermark. Okay, so this is it if you are on the pro version. They also have the basic, which is just 14.99. You can see there. Okay, so make sure you always go through all these to determine which you want to go for. But for those of you that are just new to content creation, you don't have money to go for the advanced tools, you can always go with this. That is the purpose of making this video. So this takes me to number 3 on my list, which is NightCafe. Some of you might have used NightCafe before. Okay, now let me show you one thing about NightCafe. You can see right here they say claim daily reward, and they say your first creation of the day is free and unlocks daily streak reward of up to 50 credits. So this simply means any image I'm creating right now, my very first creation, free. The very first thing you create every single day is always free. take note of that. So I'll just change the default prompt to my own prompts. Okay, I'll just paste this. Don't worry, I'll take us through the steps on how to create. So let's make use of this free version. So I'll click on create. All right, so this is the result we got from this particular AI, which is NightCafe. Now take note of this. Okay, I want to give you a pro tips on how to gain more credit for yourself every single day using this particular credit right here, NightCafe. Okay, now with this you will be earning free credits every now and then. Now what do? You come over to publish. Okay, if you click on publish, this will automatically publish on their newsfeed, meaning anybody that actually likes this image, you will be earning free credits. Do you understand that? Now if I publish this, if someone actually likes my post right on this platform, in fact this is something I've done several times. So look at this, they say allow push notification to be notified of comments and likes on your creation. You will also earn the formal badge worth 3 credits. You see that thing I told you, right? So notify me, close. That is it. So this is what I've been able to earn right now. And what am I trying to say? You can also share this with people and they come over to this place, like your post. In fact, this is a pro tips. Share your post with people, they come here, like your post, while you earn more credit for yourself. So this is actually nice, right? So number 4 on my list right here is Recraft AI. Now if you observe right here, you can see they say this site can't be reached. Okay, this is based on the location I'm using right here. Okay, as a Nigerian, Recraft AI is actually restricted in my own region. Now I got to cover just in case this is not available on your own region. Okay, now all you need to do is to grab your VPN. Okay, so here I'm using CyberGhost VPN. Now you can use any VPN of your choice. This is a paid VPN, so you can also have yours, or you go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store to download any of those free ones. Right, just switch to United States. Okay, then I'll turn on my VPN. Now observe the magic right here. Okay, and I will refresh my page. So let's try again, and boom, that is it. You can see I have been able to have access to this with the help of VPN. Okay, so right here, this particular AI, let's go to pricing. So you can see here they have here the free, pro, and teams. Now this is what brought us here, which is a free. So they say 30 credits daily, right? So this particular image generator gives 30 credits every single day. So I'll go ahead and generate. This particular image generator gives 30 credits every single day, and I'll go back. So to get started on this, all you need to do is to click on start now. Okay, start now, free, and this is it. It is loading, and I'll continue with Google. Okay guys, so before we continue with this video, if you have watched this video to this very moment and you are not a subscriber on this channel, please, I'm begging you. Okay, this is the only way you can support me, right? It takes me days to do research just to come up with this idea, so make sure you support me. Okay, give this video a thumbs up just to signal YouTube that this video is worth recommending. Thank you guys, and let's continue. So right here you can see they have the images, so I'll just paste my prompt right here, and here they have negative prompt, so you can always include words that you don't want to use in this. Okay, so if you actually need that, you can. So this is for those of you that are generating text on image. When I say text on image, like those images that you see right up on this, so no need for this, we don't need this, right? Another thing right here is the aspect ratio right here. So you can see on default this is on 1:1, so I'll just drag it till we get to 16:9, which is this. So this is the YouTube size. Take this one out, come out. Okay, so this is, we are generating 2 images right here, and I'll click on generate. Okay, so this particular generation I was charged just 2 credits because initially I had 60 credits right here. Okay, so this is the result. It is super cool. This is very nice, and this is the second image right here. Okay, so I think I'm okay. I'm very much okay with this, especially this particular image. So this is nice, and this takes us to the next one, which is number 5 on my list, and this is Freepik. I know most of you have been using this to download different images, and I know most of you have not been using this particular feature here on Freepik. You can also generate image right here, AI image generator, and they also have a video generator. Now I'll make a separate video about this. When it comes to video generation, Freepik is super amazing, guys. So I'll click on image generator. Right, so this is it. I'll paste my prompt right here. Okay, and this is it, the style. I will just leave it, in fact everything I will leave it at default. Now the model we are using right here is Flux. Okay, the version 1 fast. Okay, you can change this to any of the version you want to use right here. You can see every damn thing here is premium apart from classic, fast, and Flux. Right, they have your Flux version 1 fast and the normal Flux. So we are using this. Okay, the Flux 1 fast. Right here they have the style, composition, colors, objects. So I'll just leave everything like this. Now you can choose to increase the numbers of image you want to generate per generation. This is it. Now they have 4, 2, 1. So I'll just generate 1, okay, to save my credit. Now this is the ratio aspect. I will select this, which is 16:9, okay, and boom, this is, I'll be charged 1 credit per this. And look at this, they say 20 images remaining to them. Now this simply means you can generate up to 20 images right here every single day using the free version. Guys, this is, in fact, for those of you that create content, this is for you, because with the, in fact, 20 images is enough to create your own content, especially those of you that are on the story niche. So this is super cool. If I click on true, let's see that. Okay, so let's paste my prompt is here, the prompt which I've been using, and I'll click on generate. Let's see. Okay, so after creating your image, just in case it appears like this right here, you may not see your image. Now observe here, they have here the history and inspiration. So just click on history and this is the image we just generated. Right, this is cool, super realistic, awesome, in fact very good enough for your content creation. And you can also edit this, upscale, and create video out of this. If I go over to the pricing right here, for those of you that want to upgrade to premium 2, okay, the premium version, I recommend Freepik. This is it. If you go through all this, you see the advantages. In fact, I'll be doing more videos about Freepik, especially the video aspect of it. So that is it, number 5 on our list, and I'll move over to the next one here. So number 6 on my list is this Apob AI. You can see this, super realistic. And how many credits are you earning every single day from this AI? And I'll click on pricing. So this is it, the free version, you'll be earning 80 credits every single day. That is enough. And with the free version, you can, this is what you have access to: train and return only one customized model, up to 4/6 seconds of best/high quality image to video generation. This is with the free version, you can generate from image to video. And here they also say up to 16/24 images generated in best/high quality per day. This is already super cool. Okay, let's go ahead and generate. Okay, so I'll cancel this, then come over to login. So login, if you haven't done this, if you are using this for the first time, just go ahead and sign up. You can use this, your Google, to log in. Okay, and here is the catch: Apob is not just an image generator, okay, it also acts as a social media manager where you can actually act as AI influencers right here. So you can see all these are AI influencers, right? All these are AI images, but they have followers. Like Jessica, you can see this picture has 274.3k views. Okay, so I believe this must have a means of monetization. Okay, I'll be digging that, okay, and I'll get back the results. So to get started right here, I'll click on create portraits. So here I'm not going to be using that particular prompt. Okay, now understand this is AI influencer right here, so I'm going to be using something different. So here you can use the image to generate this, but I'll just click on this. Okay, so this is, I will select man. You can choose the age, maybe 50, 100. So I'll just leave it at 25. Okay, you can select the country. This is this. I'll select American. Okay, another thing here is the eye. How do you want the eye to look like? Albino. Okay, right. So I'll just leave it at albino. And this is the hairstyle. You can select maybe afro. Okay, and hair color, you select any color of your choice, and I'll click on generate, which will actually cost me 10 credits per generation. So let's see the result. Okay, so this is what we got. Okay, this, don't forget, this was based on what I selected here, right? And I missed the hair color, black. Hair color was black, and the facial face and shape, I didn't select anything here. I was supposed to select at least something right here. So this is what we got. Albino eye. Okay, this is totally off, and you can see here they have their watermark, so you can always scale this out. Now when it comes to image generation, this is super realistic. Look at the portrait background, very super, right? So you can always do some changes right here and you are good to go. So the number 7 on my list is Leonardo. Most of you have been using this. Okay, I've already made a video about Leonardo, how to generate images right here. Okay, so this is, I'll click on image. So this is the Leonardo AI gives 150 credits every single day. This is it, and each image you generate here is worth 25 worth of this credit. Okay, so if you check this by, well, it should be over 7 images every single day. 25, 50, 75, okay, almost 6 images every single day. So each image you generate is worth 25 coins. So let me just try what we have been generating, okay, using the prompts. All right, and I'll click on generate. I'm not going to be doing all the necessary changes. I will just leave it like that. All right, so this is it. This is the result we got from Leonardo. It is super realistic, awesome, good, and in fact I think this is even the best, right? And here this takes me to the very last one, which is the number 8. All right, so the last on my list right here is the Johnny AI art. So this one you get free 10 credits every single day. I think I made a mistake. This was supposed to be, I think, number 3 right here. So to get started, I'll paste my prompt right here on the prompt box and I'll click on generate. Okay, so and you'll be taken to this particular place. So this is it, from text, from image. So we are using the from image. Okay, I will just paste my prompt right here and I'm using the flux model, and these are the ratios available here: the 1:1, 3:4, 4:3. So I'll just leave it at 1:1 and I'll click on generate. So this is the result we got from Johnny AI Arts, right? And it has watermark. Now you can see from everything I've listed right here, I think only 2 has watermark. The rest are watermark free and unlimited to use right here. And this is actually realistic. Okay, this is super cool, and that is it on this video, guys. So if you are looking for AI tools that gives free daily credits, these are the platform you need for now. Okay, don't forget, I'm gonna be digging out more. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video with people that needs to watch it. Thank you, guys, and see you in my next video.